South Carolina Department of Health will soon offer free whooping cough vaccinations at clinics at every county around the state. Starting next month, the vaccinations are required for all rising 7th graders starting this school year. The vaccine is a booster to the whooping cough vaccine given to infants. It protects against a bunch of different things like pertussis and diphtheria. Now, for more information on the clinics and the times that they are open, look at the TV section of WYFF4.com.